What is going on, guys? It's me, your bro Scott, and welcome back to my channel. Everybody is now a vlogger in every way, and we all love to take not just photos but videos as well. Mobile phones are packed with so many features that are enough to store wonderful photos and videos. We can also install editing apps to make our photos and videos share-worthy. However, phones that are packed with unlimited usages are too expensive, and this makes us too hesitant to use them, especially in a fast-paced movement. We don't want our phones to break. Good thing, there are cameras that are affordable that provide the same quality photos and videos. I have this SJCAM 4K action camera. Let me warn you, I am just a vlogger and content creator. I am not tech savvy. I can only show you most of the editing software features that I use and rely on to share videos on my social media accounts. Let me show you some footages that I took using this SJCAM action camera. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It was kinda shaky, but that was my fault. I forgot to adjust the image stabilization feature. I also tried using time-lapse feature. However, since I am really not a techie, I got tired of trying it, and this is what I got. It was awesome, right? This small camera has lots of features for its size. If you really want to start doing travel vlogs, then this is the right camera for you. One more thing that I like about this SJCAM is that I can use it as a dash cam. I can mount it in my car, then just key in what needs to be logged, like the plate number of my car, and it is good to go. Now I have a dash cam. I can also use this as a webcam. Although I did notice that there are some delays. We can't expect anything this affordable to be all things to all people, right? So why complain if it still does everything that we need to do it? Meanwhile, there are still lots of features for me to discover that will enable me to be more adventurous with this SJCAM without worrying that I might break it. Vlogging can be a great source of passive income, so capturing and posting videos on your social media accounts has great potential in putting some extra money in your pocket after a while. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video.